This is Penny with Penny's Infinite Jewelry. Today I have some more Thredup boxes to open. This week has been a hit and miss. It seems like as soon as something comes on there, it is unavailable. It's unavailable. So you have to honestly sit there and refresh your phone, your computer, whatever, to be able to get these boxes. Now, the scarf box and the clothing box stays up a little longer, but I got another scarf box today, and I have another video where I'm going to open up 50 pounds of jeans from Thredup, and I've got the 15 pieces of jewelry for $48 or something coming this week. So, are you ready? I've not even looked in here. Let's get our handy dandy scissors. But the Thredup side it's called Thredup Rescue Boxes, and you have to completely spend the whole day on there almost, just refreshing. I'm in a group on Texas Gal Treasures. They have a thread for nothing but these boxes, and so when they become available, one of us will come on there and say, oh, hey, this is available, this is available. Now, they had the men's mix lot of clothes up for a long time yesterday. But let's get started. Oops, more scissoring needed. I'm out of my bed right now. I am actually sitting in front of the window in my bedroom. I have had ankle surgery about 3 weeks ago, and I have been in my bed for 3 weeks. Only got out, I think, 2 days. One day my husband took me to the Goodwill, but I have to ride on a scooter and on my knee, and I had a partial knee replacement on that knee. So I've kind of been in my bed working on jewelry lots. I've got jewelry lots coming up on my Mercari. Yeah, it's probably Penny's Infinite Jewelry or Infinite Jewelry. All right, well, they all come with these, well, usually, last time it didn't. Papers on top, but this is what it looks like. And I'm crammed in a corner, so this is what it looks like. And I'm trying to grow my gray out just because I want to see what it's going to look like. I've just been curious. And this is like a month's worth of growth. My hair grows fast. And my son came in here a while ago. He's getting married April the 10th. And he said, Mom, are you gonna do something with your hair before the wedding? I said, Dylan, I'll color it all black or something with some spray or something before then. But I'm just kind of curious. I think the gray is looking really pretty. And I'm tired of dyeing my hair. I'm just tired of it. All right, so let's get into this scarf box. I'll let you see what it looks like on the top. I see a strapped one that looks really, really pretty. See this one? And then this is what it looks like. These are all folded. That makes a big difference because then you know that someone took time to do this. Okay, so let's dive in here. I've got, when I get through this box, I'll have 100 scarves to list. But it's okay. They'll sell. They will eventually sell. This is beautiful. Look at that. Has one snag right here. One snag. I don't see a tag on it. But that's really pretty. Like, that would go with any color outfit. It's very like crocheted, knitted. Very, very nice. Let's see what the next one is. I got a cashmere out of the last one. I was excited. And I was explaining, if you haven't watched my other 3 videos, you could use these for anything. This could be a table runner. You don't have to use this as a scarf. Throw it on the back of your chair. Throw it on the back of your couch. You can make a curtain out of these things. You could cut this one in 2 and make 2 little curtain panels. There's no name on this one. No tag, but it's super like polyester satin or something. It feels really good. Okay, so here's another one. This one feels like a t-shirt. I like these. I don't wear scarves. It gets too hot in Florida to wear scarves. And I've tried to wear them fancy to go all places, but I don't know. I don't feel like I can't rock them like some people. Okay, this one is like a maroon, and it feels like a t-shirt. So the reason I'm showing these videos is in case you yourself want to go buy one. I'm kind of doing a review here. Not Thredup didn't pay me to do the review. But I'm just doing a review because it's exciting to watch what other people get. This is called FRAAS. And if you know any of these names, please comment below. My nails look horrible. I hadn't had my nails done either. Actually, I haven't had them done since before March of COVID started last year. In a year, or my toes. I'm just an unkept woman. All right, so this is an infinity scarf. And you would just wrap it over like that. And you could put a scarf tie right here. Or wrap it again. And fix it really pretty. It's really cool. I watch people with scarves on now that I've been getting these scarf boxes on the TV. This is a thinner scarf. And it has, I think it's polo. I bet you it's U.S. polo. I knew that when I seen the thing. But these scarves, let's say, okay, after I get through with this box, I'll have over 100. And I've paid $80 for all the boxes. I paid $20 a box for them. 16 plus shipping. I have 100 scarves. And let's just say I paid $60. If I put $10 a scarf and sell them, that's $1,000. If I put $20 a scarf, that is going to be $2,000 for 100 scarves. 100 scarves, if you sold them for $1 a piece, should make your $100 back. So it's a really good investment. $1 a piece should make your money back, that's for sure. We give about $1 for them. Okay, this is one that's almost like a, it's not as stretchy as that one. And it is, I don't have my readers on, but that's the brand of that one. Put my readers on to see what it says. Borelli. And it's a solid blue. And again, it's an infinity scarf. But what I said, mothers can actually, this looks like a baby sling, but I'm not responsible if you put your baby in here. But it almost looks like a sling people put their babies in, goes over their arms. And some of these could be, they don't know what these are. They may think they're scarves and they're not scarves. Next one up looks like it's hand knitted. Doesn't look store-bought, but it is very nicely knitted. Has a little of a stuffy odor, but so far I haven't smelled any bad odors on these. Okay. Just in case you want to go buy you a scarf. This is made in Uruguay, Uruguay. It's a virgin oil. Virgin oil. Dear Lord, it's virgin wool. It's not made out of virgin oil. But this will sell because it's cool. And I guess men wear scarves as well. I see men in movies and scarves. I've been looking at scarves. Okay, so, and I like getting these boxes and I like opening them for you. This is just a really thin, and eventually these will be up in my eBay when I get time. I have so much, and once I open these jeans, I'm really going to be busy. This is a polka dotted white and black scarf. Scarf, my darling. It's a scarf. Okay. Here's a white one. And very nice. And if you'll look at my pictures on Mercari and Poshmark or wherever, and it's Infinite Jewelry or Penny's Infinite Jewelry or Infinite Jewelry Shop on eBay is what it is. You can see how I take pictures. I take a mannequin and I put every possible way that scarf can be worn, and I put all those pictures on there. That gives a person a visual of, you know, what they would look like in that scarf or how they would wear it. And that has to be the shortest scarf I've ever seen in my life. Okay, if you know how to wear that one, tell me. Unless it just goes over your head like that. Let's try this. Woo, it does. It's a shorty scarf. And look at it. My hair's bugging me. Sorry, people wonder why you pick at your hair. Because we're looking at ourselves. That's a cool little neat scarf. That is really neat. And I also have a little chihuahua that you might have seen in one of the videos. And she absolutely loves little soft material. So some of this stuff I could save for less than $1 a piece. Pink, no tags, very nice. It feels nice. And you don't have to have brands. People just see things and sometimes they'll buy on an impulse. This has got flowers. See, it's a floral. It's see-through. And it's a floral design. Maybe next week I'll work on trying to get these on. I just have to wear my scooter and stand up to take the pictures, and then I'm exhausted. Oh, this is going to be a 3-month process. So tomorrow I'll go back to the doctor, and he'll tell me what our next steps are. But it feels like needles when I get on my feet. I don't know why. It hurts really bad. This is called Laundry by Shell Segal. And it's a 2011. But that is really pretty. Like, that's an older scarf. 2011. 6, 7, 8 years old. That's so pretty. It's a pretty scarf. I keep looking at this one. Let's see. This reminds me of like a horse, but then you put over a horse before you put the saddle. the blanket, horse blanket. Oh, that's nice. See, that is not a scarf. Look at that. You know what I could do with that? I could put that on the couch and cover up my legs. It'd be nice. You know what these would be nice to? Take to the nursing homes and give these out for lap blankets. Just thought about that. I love supporting places and helping. It's Accessory Depot. Guess it's the manufacturer. And it's 100% acrylic. And it's got OSFM. Let me show you. Now, I had taught you before, if you was to list this, make sure you put in the RN number, because you want the most search engine optimization, I guess is the word, to be able to find your item. So make sure you put the RN number, because sometimes I just search by that. This is making me think I got to get another scarf box. Isn't that crazy? Okay, this is crocheted. I guess you're okay with seeing the scarves. Like, this is my 4th scarf box. I don't want to bore you. If there's any other boxes that you would like to see, please comment below. I don't really sell shoes or purses. I try to stay away from purses. I do wallets. Hey, here it is. It's Mark Anthony. So Mark Anthony. I like to stay with accessories. I don't mind doing jeans or easy. Jeans, you can either hang them up. Just put them on a clippy hanger, snap, 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 snap. Or you can lay them down in your floor if you have a hardwood floor. Or like me, I don't have it with me, but I took and bought a $20 or $25 eraser board. And I had it on my wall because I homeschool and I was going to use it for my daughter's schooling. And then I had my husband cut it in 2. And I have little pieces for my jewelry. And then the bigger pieces you can lay on the bed and like really get good pictures. I have these lights. I'll have to ask my husband what they are. But they look like they'd go out in a shed or something. The long lights in my bedroom. It's where it used to be my eBay room. I think my eBay room has been in every room in this house. Just saying. I'm just a true eBayer. This is a pretty scarf and it's stretching. These would be spring colors. And that would be something you could put in your description. Spring colors. But just think, if you bought these scarves and you put them on an auction on eBay and start them out at $5, $5 shipping, that's $10. And even after the fees and stuff, you make $3 or $4 after them, you've made a profit. If you're one that just wants to make a profit. Now, some of my scarves I've sold for $20. So you can do that and wait on the buyer or see if someone likes it and send them an offer. I just, honestly, I have a lot of silver because I've been going through all my jewelry that I've been buying up for the last 5 years out of the jewelry jars. And I've been finding silver. And I'm trying to debate if I want to list it or just take it to the jewelry store, get all that money and buy more jewelry boxes. Because, hello, my darling. Damsel in distress. Such a damsel in distress. I really am. No, I'm not a damsel. I'm just a woman that can't walk. This is cute. My daughter will probably take this. She likes anything cheetah. And she has got on this kick of liking anything Lily Pulitzer. Every single piece in her closet is Lily Pulitzer. And I had no idea until I went to this Tampa Mall with her that they come out with new colors like every other week. And then you got to keep up with the Joneses and get your colors. This is purple, but it's so soft. It's like, hope the lighting's okay here. And the sound, you'll have to comment below and let me know. And if you're getting bored with scarves, which I like doing scarves, I got a bunch of jewelry jars coming. I'm going to be opening up jewelry because that is what I wanted to do. But honestly, I like opening up any mystery boxes. This is thin. This is thin. And I promised someone that I would tell the story, the miracle story of my son on one of these unboxings or on my channel. I don't know if you'd get bored to just sit there and listen to me talk without showing you something. This is from Target, but it's very pretty. See how pretty these are? I mean, if you could put a lining, just think about this. Think about this with a lining in it, okay? A silk or satin lining. This would make an amazing skirt for either a little girl, a woman. There's so many ideas. Ooh, Mama likes this. What is this? Red Camel. It's by Red Camel. Look at that. My Annie dog would love that material. Look, it's twisted. But I guess you would wear it the same as you did the other. And let's just, okay, this is the last but not the least. But I will tell my story of my miracle son. I have a lot of stories I could tell. But maybe I'll unbox, let you look at one of these one day and just tell the story while we're looking at the scarves. So this one is more of a really nice, fine knit sweater type. Doesn't have any name on it. 100% acrylic. It's got OSFM. I don't know if that's anything, or you might be laughing at me thinking, ah, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16. I may have to start using my toes. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. The pull-up. So tell me which one was your best. Put a description below what you want to see me do on this channel. I do have 3 pounds of just earrings coming, vintage to modern, or vintage earrings actually. The person said she got it out of a storage. I ordered them off of Mercari. I have 15 pounds of jewelry coming that I purchased off a girl from Mercari, and I see my hair sticking up right there. I have the 15 pieces from Thredup coming, and let me think. I've been kind of buying stuff. All right, next video is going to be the jeans. Are you ready? Subscribe, like, share, and help me build my channel. Have 11 subscribers now in 1 week. Let's double that and triple that. Let's get the word out, because I absolutely love opening mystery boxes and teaching a little bit about what I know about eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari, Etsy, or whatever. And you can be an online seller. It is not that hard. So if you even want me to start teaching that, how you can start your own store. This is Penny Infinite Jewelry.